Hi everyone, so for now, let's have the set B for the review for summative test for grade 7. So again, this is just a review. This is not the exact questions that will come up, but pwede siyang lumabas dun sa exams nyo. Again, this is for just a review po. So again, our source is from depatclub.com. Okay, number 1. During a polygon review, a learner counts the sides one by one before naming the figure. What skill helps identify the polygon correctly? Okay, so, and the keyword is already there. So from here, we'll have letter C, counting the number of sides. Okay, counts the sides. Number 2, a road sign has 8 straight sides. What polygon name should the learner write? Okay, so 8 sides, that will be octagon. Number 3, a figure is open and has one curved part. Why is it not a polygon? Okay, so again, not a polygon. So it means it should not have an open figure. Okay, it says here open. So it is not a closed figure made only of line segment. And another part is that it has curve. Okay, Anna says that a square is a regular polygon, which reason best supports her answer. Okay, so for number 4, we'll have letter B. It has equal sides and equal angle. Regular polygon, equal side, equal angles. Number 5, in drawing a regular pentagon using a circle, how many degrees apart should the points be marked around the center? So for number 5, we'll have 360. Okay, pentagon, it's 5. So we'll have here 72 degrees. Number 6, a learner counts 10 sides in a polygon used in a design. What is the polygon called? Okay, so for number 6, we have here 10 sides. Okay, 10 sides po ay decagon. 7, a group measures a polygon and defines that all sides and all interior angles are equal. How should it be classified? Okay, all sides and all interior angles are equal, so that is a regular polygon, letter D. Number 8, which tool should be used mainly to measure or mark angle measures in polygon drawing? Okay, so for number 8, we have a protractor. Number 9, a polygon in a worksheet has an inward dent. How should learner classify it? Okay, so inward, that will be a non-convex. Inward. Which description best fits the convex polygon shown in class? Okay, so for number 10, all interior angles are less than 180 degrees. Less than. Number 11, two angles are beside each other and share a common vertex and a common side. What kind of angles are there? So number 11, those are adjacent. Okay? Common vertex and common side. A pair of angles measures 110 degrees and 70 degrees. What relationship do they have? So adding 110 and 70, that is 180. So it means they are supplementary. Two opposite angles form when two lines intersect. They have the same measure, but they are called, so they are vertical angles. Okay, so two opposite angles. If two angles form a linear pair and one angle is 75 degrees, what is the other angle? So linear pair, that is supplementary. So it means linear pair is equal to 180. So just subtract 180 and 75. So 180 minus 75, that is 105 degrees. Letter B. Which angle pair has a measure that add up to 90 degrees? So 90 degrees, that is complementary. Again, supplementary is 180, complementary is 90. A pair of adjacent angles has non-common sides that form a straight line. What is the pair called? Okay, number 16 again. A pair of adjacent angles has non-common sides that form a straight angle. So that is a linear pair. Straight line. In a polygon drawing, which angle is formed inside the polygon by two adjacent sides? In a polygon drawing, which angle is formed inside the polygon by two adjacent sides? Okay, so for number 17, we have interior angle. 18, a side of a polygon is extended outward, forming an outside angle. What is the angle called? Okay, so extended outside, so that is exterior, outside angle. If an exterior angle measures 57 degrees, what is its adjacent interior angle? So if they're asking for the adjacent interior, you just need to subtract 180 by 57. Okay, so for number 19, we'll have letter C, 123 degrees. What is the sum of the interior angles of a nonagon? Okay, so for our nonagon, we have 9 sides. So you just need to multiply 180 by n minus 2. So we get 180. Nonagon, it's 9 minus 2. So you have 180 times 7. Okay, so for number 20, we have letter B, 1,260 degrees. Okay, 21. A hexagon has 5 interior angles measuring 100 degrees, 110, 120, 130, and 140 degrees. What is the sixth angle? Okay, so for this one, you have to first solve for the sum of the interior angle of a hexagon. So sum will be 180. So we have hexagon that will be 6, 6 minus 2. So the sum will be 180 times 4. Okay, so 180 times 4, we'll have here 720 degrees. And then after that, you have to subtract po itong ating measurement that are given here. So you have to add 100 plus 110 plus 120 plus 130 plus 140. And then after getting the sum for that, you have to subtract it with the sum of our interior angle for our hexagon. So we'll have 100 plus 110, that is 210 plus 120. Okay, so this is equal to 600. Okay, so 600 degrees. So again, you have to subtract it with the sum. So we'll have our angle is equal to 720 minus 600, which is equal to 120 degrees. So 21, that is letter D. Next, what is the measure of each exterior angle of a regular octagon? So again, you just need to divide sum with the number of sides. So we'll have 360, okay, exterior over 8. Okay, so dividing 360 by 8 will have 45 degrees. Okay, 22, it's letter A. Next, 23. If each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 36 degrees, how many sides does a polygon have? Okay, so they were asking, how many sides does a polygon have? So again, our formula for our exterior angle, that will be 360 over n. So since they were asking for the number of sides, you will have 360 over the size of the exterior angle. So we'll have 360 over 36. So this is equal to 10. Letter B. What is the measure of each interior angle of a regular 32 nonagon? So they were asking again each interior angle, not the sum. So for us to get the measurement for each exterior, so you have to divide the sum over the number of sides. So we'll have 180 n minus 2 over n. So 180. So 32 gone. So we got 32 minus 2 over 32. So we have 180 times 30 over 32. Yan. So simplifying that, you can do cancellation or just multiply 180 times 30 and then divide it with 32. So we'll have here 5,400 divided by 32. It will not be exact. There will be decimal. 168.75 degrees. Letter C. 25. What is the best first step when solving for a missing interior angle of a polygon? So 25, you have to count the sides and use the correct interior angle sum formula. So you have to get muna yung sum po. And then after that, divide it with the number of sides. Okay, that's all. Thank you and good luck on your test.